Hey beauties, welcome to my channel, welcome to my page, welcome to Osarime DIY Skin and Home Care. Today we are talking about turmeric and milk mask. This combo is very good for our face. We are going to make it a face mask. Turmeric and milk together makes a powerful combo, especially in skincare and general wellness. Please, if you have not followed my page, please do so at Osarime DIY Skin and Home Care. Also, do well to follow me on YouTube at Osarime DIY Home. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Turmeric brightens the skin. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants. While milk is a lactic acid, milk also moisturize and brightening the skin. This combo work perfectly together for our skins. Let's look into the benefits of this combo. Turmeric and milk fade dark spots and angst when used consistently. Turmeric can make even out skin tone. It changes the skin of your face. It evens out it removes the upper pigmentation and even out your skin. Turmeric and milk fight pimples and inflammation. Turmeric and milk leave our skins radiant and smooth. This combo is very good. It's a natural ingredient that you can add to your skin routine to give you a brighter skin. Though you can also use it on your body. You can use it for scrubbing to brighten your skin. But today we are talking about how it can brighten our face, with how we can use turmeric to brighten our face with milk. If you have watched this video to this place and you have not followed me, why? Please do follow me on my Facebook page, Osarime DIY Skin and Home Care. Follow me also on my YouTube channel, Osarime DIY Home. Are you going to try this combo? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.